we've been on both sides of the coin now. We've been on the side where we've kind of left it to the schools to make the decisions for themselves and see where that could kind of lead. And then we see now what happens when you really have an intentional focus, have some continuity in processes with some expectations that you're looking for alignment or coherence is kind of the big word these days. But having seen the hard work that was happening in spots, and now seeing how that hard work is making a difference collectively across the division, those are the pieces I think as divisions are starting to look at this, is really to understand that you're going to get such traction by having those processes built in across all school communities and leveraging it up into the district levels. To me, that's the key decision. Is I think as leaders, we've all had these ideas, and sometimes we try to provide a lot of autonomy for schools to figure out what that looks like. And then other times it's like, no, we need this to be more coherent. If I would have known in 2015 what we know at this point, 4 years into this, we would have made that decision a decade ago.